Well, we did have yet another storm system moving through today, but we had one also moving through yesterday on Wednesday. But on Tuesday, I went to Ashland Middle School and I got to talk to the students, the sixth graders there at Ashland Middle School. And in one of those groups was Audrey Lazinski. And we talked about strange clouds, and of course, mammatus clouds fall into that category. So Aubrey sent me this picture of mammatus clouds that she saw Wednesday morning, just not even 24 hours after we'd already talked about them and after she had learned about them. So I was very impressed that she got to put her knowledge to good use so quickly. So thank you, Aubrey, for sending that picture in. And we are seeing an active weather pattern still today, but that storm system did not bring quite as much rainfall as the storm system yesterday. We are still seeing just a few isolated showers around the area. Cloud cover for the most part, though. And as the night moves on, those showers are going to start to taper off. They'll be returning by Friday. We'll talk more about that coming up, but temperatures around the area currently relatively mild in the lower 50s along the coast, 53 degrees for both Brookings and Crescent City, for Medford near 50, in the 40s for Siskiyou County. Mount Shasta sitting at 41 degrees, and east of the Cascades we're near 40 degrees for Klamath Falls. Lakeview, though, sitting at 37 degrees. So we have been talking about this storm system that is moving through. So I'm going to give you a timeline of this with the weather headlines. We will see a lull in shower activity for tonight. That's going to be a break between the storm system that moved through today and then the one that is moving through on Friday. And with that storm system, we will be seeing very high winds along the coast, and then also for the east side, that will be later by Friday night into Saturday. But heavy rain, especially also along the coast, and snow levels will be dropping by Saturday. So we will be seeing snow for higher elevations heading in towards the weekend. So here's your stormcast notice, a lull in that activity, and then showers starting to move onshore. Not just showers, but some steady rainfall and gusty winds with this. This system will move onshore by Friday, and then we'll still be seeing rain for Friday night, and then continuing for Saturday morning. Not quite as numerous or widespread with these showers, but rainfall will still be in the forecast for Saturday. Now, speaking of concerns with our weather, we will be under a storm warning that starts tomorrow morning, continues until Saturday morning for 1 a.m. right along the coast. Really, that just means that the seas will be hazardous and any ships, especially small craft, should stay in port. And then for the coastal flood advisory, that means that we're also going to be seeing winds pushing the water onshore, almost like a storm surge in combination with high tide. So that's the reason why that goes into effect for tomorrow along the coast. Also, high wind warnings initially for the coast, and then that will be starting for the Klamath Basin by at least Friday night, continuing for Saturday afternoon. Winds at times gusting up to 80 miles per hour along the coast, up to 50 to 55 miles per hour east of the Cascades. So for tomorrow, do be expecting those very gusty winds. Rainfall amounts between 2 and 3 inches, but at times we could see maybe up to 6 inches locally. Highs are going to be in the middle 50s otherwise. And then for Northern California, gusting up to 25 miles per hour. The winds are rainfall amounts between ½ an inch up to 1.5 inches, and a little bit breezy, of course, with those winds gusting. And then for the Klamath Basin, even higher winds gusting up to 45 or 40 miles per hour. That is rainfall amounts between ¼ of an inch up to ¾ of an inch, and our highs mainly in the 40s. For the mountains, we will also see rain and snow possible. Those snow levels are right around 5,500 feet, 44 degrees the high for Prospect. And for the Rogue Valley, highs are going to be in the 50s, upper 40s, though, for Ashland. Our rainfall amounts between ¼ of an inch up to ½ an inch. So for the next 7 days along the coast, we'll still be seeing rain in the forecast for Saturday, highs in the middle 50s, isolated showers by Sunday. And for Northern California, snow levels go from 6,000 feet on Friday, dropping down to 5,500 feet by Saturday. And for the Klamath Basin, right around 4,500 feet for Saturday, 6,000 feet for tomorrow, though, on Friday. So mostly just looking at rain. And for the mountains, also those snow levels falling for the weekend. Highs will be in the upper 30s by Saturday. And for the Rogue Valley, most of our rainfall is going to arrive by right around, I would say, 10 or 11, and then continuing for the afternoon hours. And not just for the afternoon hours, but then overnight Friday and towards Saturday, we'll still be seeing showers in the forecast.
Wow, that's pretty significant.
Right, we're looking forward to it.
Yes, we are.
Thanks.